What's up, everybody? I'm Mr. Calhoun. This is Digital Photography 2 and classes in session. I know a lot of you are struggling to get the Lightroom for iPad app to download and be able to sign in on your iPad. And I want to remove that barrier, that obstacle from you being able to move forward. So we're going to learn how to shoot and edit photos using the native apps on your iPad 6. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. We're in my backyard, and there's some trees behind me that I'm going to use for this. But first I want to show you that you can also create albums, right? So to keep yourself organized, let's go into that. Inside of our Photos app, in the top left corner, we have a plus sign. We'll create a new album. And maybe you're working on your composition, photo shoot. We'll save that. If you'd already shot the photos, you could add them here. And if you haven't shot them yet, you can add them later. Okay, so we'll go into the camera app, turn my camera around, and here we are. I've got this Japanese maple here with the cherry blossoms behind it. I think it might make an interesting photo. First thing I want to do is in the top right corner here, it says HDR. We want to go ahead and turn that on. What that does is it will create multiple exposures, one brighter, one darker, one sort of in the middle, and then it'll blend the three together to give you a better quality image. The next thing is to tap where I want it to focus. And let's say I wanted to focus right here. It also exposes for that area, but as you can see, it'll turn back off after a while. We can tap and hold, and then we get auto exposure, autofocus locked. And with that little sun, we can adjust our exposure, making it brighter or darker depending on what you need for your scene. I'll set my mode to photo. Tap and hold for the area that I want to focus on and expose for. I'll adjust as needed. And then tap the button, take a photo. I'm going to take a few photos. Once I settle on one, we'll go ahead and go through the editing process. I think I've got a couple good images. We're going to go ahead and jump into editing natively inside of the iPad app. finished 2 edits. Maybe I want to create a new album now. And it'll be the photo edit for the photo shoot. So I'll go to albums. I will select the 2 that I have edited and move them to my composition photo edit album. Now, when I go to turn in my assignment, I can just go straight to that album. I could go in and delete anything that I'm not going to need or not going to use to help save space on my iPad, and that's it. So there you have it, obstacle removed. Get out there, take some awesome photos. I hope you're staying safe out there. Wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one.